So Greg, how's your day been today?
Oh, look, today's been a little bit hectic. Like, it's a pretty tough track out there. We had a bit of an issue there on the first lap, so we had to pull up for a few minutes and cost us a fair bit of time, but that's all right. There's 5 laps tomorrow to try and work our way back through again, so we'll just try and get it to the end.
Now, obviously, you run a business that is about doing these cars, and this morning the boys got a bit of a workout.
Yeah, we had a bit of customer work to do this morning. Glenn was a bit hard on the gear, so we lucky for him it was in the prologue, so he could make the time back, and the boys fixed it, and he didn't really lose any actual race time. Started back in the pack, which on this track is probably, with that much mud, it's probably a bit of an advantage. All the quick boys go through and empty the puddles for him. And
what's a strategy for you for tomorrow?
Try and finish. This is one of the toughest races. I've done this quite a few times, this event. The finish rate's normally pretty low. That first and second lap we did there was as rough as any lap I've ever done around here, and we've still got 5 to go. So it is going to be a really, really tough race. I think everyone that finishes deserves a trophy tomorrow. It's going to be a big day.